Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, we're all used to earning a paycheck from our job during our working years, right? But Calvin, help us understand, where does that income come from in retirement?
It's a great question, Jen. And for everybody, it's going to be a little bit different depending on where they saved money. A lot of people have saved most of their money in places where it's going to be taxable when they take the money out. They call that a qualified account, which means when you made the contribution, it qualified for a tax deduction. The challenge with that is that we may see a rising tax environment in the future. So every dollar you have to pull out of one of those IRAs or 401ks or 403b plans will be taxed at a rate that you can't control in the future. You're also going to have income from Social Security, different types of annuities potentially. If you don't have a pension from your employer, you can create your own one with an annuity. And if you're lucky enough to have a pension from your employer, we want to make sure you make the right claiming strategy. And if you're married, protect the spouse in case something happens to you. So there's a variety of places you're going to pull that money from over time. And we just want to make sure we build a comprehensive written retirement income plan to make sure you've got it organized properly.
Right. And of course, we don't know how long we'll retire, how long we'll need that income. You have some resources that can help.
That's right. Our team and I have put together this retirement kit. Every day that goes by that you don't have a comprehensive written retirement income plan may put your future financial security in jeopardy. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will help make sure that you know exactly where your income is going to come from in retirement.
So call, text, or go online to get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit. Calvin, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.